गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेव 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 जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय श्री गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय जय राधा कृष्ण जुगल मिलन जय 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 राधा कृष्ण जुगल मिलन आरती करे ललिता दी सखी गान हरे मदन मोहन रूप त्रिभंग सुंदर मदन राधा विनोद बिहारी रूप त्रिभंग सुंदर विनोद पीताम्बर सिद्धि पूजा चूड़ा मनोहर ललिता माधव बामी विश्वभानु कन्या नीलवासना गौरी रूपे गुणे धन्ना आहा नाना विधाय अलंकार करे चलमल नाना विधा हरिमन विमोहन बदन उज्जल हरे विशाखा दे सखी गणे नाना रागे गाय सखी जत चामर धुलाय श्री राधा माधव पदे सरसी जया से श्री राधा पूर्व कति विनोद सखी पदे सुखे भाषे जय राधे राधे राधा गोविंद जय जय राधा गोविंद जय राधा गोपीनाथ जय गोविंद जय राधा गोपीनाथ जय राधा मदन मोहन जय राधे राधे राधा गोविंद जय जय बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे बोलो कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Guru Deva Jai Shri Guru Deva Very Pushpadanta Prabhu. Pushpadanta Prabhu.
It's now coming.
जनशौती महाराज नमो विष्णु पादाय
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Devishesha Sunyavadi Pasatya Deshatarine Namo Vishnu Padaya Gora Prestaya Bhutale Shri Srimad Bhakti Prajnan Keshava Iti Namine Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Namine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavita Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari
Come on. Manjari should also come. Very good.
शतकोटि गोपी माधव मान राखिते नारी ना करी जाता जटपति गोपी माधव मान राखिते नारी ना करी हरि सीता कामाला को चमाला हरि सीता कामाला को चमाला हरि सीता कामाला को चमाला जा जय जय देवा हरे 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 जय जय देवा हरे मधु मोरा नरक विनाशना हरे मधु हरि मधु मोरा नरक जय जय देवा हरे हरे जय अमला कमल दया चला भावा मोचन
This Mangal song was very dear to Jagannath Dev and to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he opened the door in midnight and running went where Devdasi was singing in this song, and in buses, in thrones, so many scratches in his body and clothes. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, he sang this song by Devdasi and he runs and to catch to embrace, but Govinda Prabhu stopped Mahaprabhu. Otherwise, he told that I would have run to ocean and jumped if I had touched that. And Hari Hare Nama, himself Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his whole associates used to sing first this song, Hari Hare Nama, Krishna Jadavaya Nama, Jadavaya Madhavaya Kesavaya, Gopal Govinda Ram Sri Madhusudan, Giridhari Gopinath Madhav. Up to that. Up to that. Whole night This is mantra. Hari Haraye Namah. Krishna Jadavaya Namah. Jadavaya, Madhavaya, Keshavaya. Gopal Govindaram, Simadhu Sudan, Giridhari Gopinath. Namo Vishnu Padaya Gaura Pristhaya Bhutale Shri Srimad Bhakti Pragyana Kesavaiti Namine Ati Marta Charitraya Swasitanand Chapaline Jiva Dukkhe Sadarthaya Nama Prima Pradayane Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Mahabhadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Gurave Gaurachandaya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Tavai Vasmi Najivam Tvaya Vina Iti Viggaya Radhe Tangnay Mama Charnan. My koti dandavat and the lotus feet of my spiritual master Paramaradhatam Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnu Parsi Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And the same koti dandavat in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru on Vishnupad Ashtotar Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. I am very happy that from many places, from England, Australia, whole world, devotees have come and more will come. So I am very happy. Yesterday in morning I told that I have come to remind you and to inspire you. Don't be weak. To happen the life only is to do bhajan of Krishna, chanting the name of Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So I have come for this. So you should never be weak. Especially sannyasi brahmachari. They should be very strong. They should not deviate. They should be very strong. Those who will not obey me or Guru Parampara, they will go down. Don't criticize anyone. You cannot associate with them, but don't criticize. Try to give honor to superiors. I want to see that senior devotees like Mahabharata and all others, they should be forward. Juniors should honor them. And they should give place seniors to come forward. Always honor superiors. If you are doing Trinadapi Suni Chena Tarurapi Sahishuna Amanina manadena kirtaniya sadari. Then very soon, Krishna will come in our heart and he will wash away all the unwanted things, worldly desires and everything. And he will be ever, forever he will be captured here in heart. Now we are beginning our Hari Katha. You should very attentively hear all these Hari Katha. These are more than nectar of heaven. In drinking heavenly nectar, a man or woman becomes mad. Like Indra, like Chandra, like others, they lose their character. But Hari Katha, Krishna himself comes in the heart and clears everything. So you should carefully hear. You should know that Vyas had divided Vedas in 4 parts. He made Brahma Sutra essence of all the Vedas, Puran, Mahabharata and everything. He composed so many 48 kinds of Purans, but he was not happy. He was lacking something. And in the meantime, Narad Rishi came, and Narad Rishi asked him, "Oh, you have done so many things. You have divided Vedas in 4 sections. You have made Brahma Sutram, Mahabharatam, or so many Puran, but still you are not happy. Why?" Vyas, Krishna Dvaipayan, being himself manifestation of Krishna, he told that I don't know. You are Guru, you know. You are Vaidya, you can see my nerves and then he told, you have not anywhere written that Krishna is Supreme Lord. You have not written the sweet pastimes of Krishna, which are non-different from Krishna, very powerful. You have not written that Krishna himself, being Supreme Lord, is up, down, out, inner, nothing is there, and Mother Jasoda binded, and he became to be Supreme Lord. You have not written in that anywhere that Krishna being Supreme Lord, he is telling Gopi that I cannot repay you. Have you written? Why don't know all these things? And then he told him, oh, take Samadhi, Bhakti Samadhi Yoga, and you will see. And after departure of Narada Rishi, he went in his Samadhi. Samadhi means strong. No? And he saw Apasyat Purusham Purna. Mayancha Dada Apashrayam. He's a Purna Purush. Purna Purush, not only Krishna, with thousands of and lakhs and kotis of Shaktis, Ladini Shakti Sarupini, Gopis and Radhika, oh so many. With Mother Nand Baba and with all the friends, Subal Siddham, Madhumangal and all. He saw Ras Leela. He heard Venu Geet, Gopi Geet, Brahman Geet and everything. And he also saw in trance Rukmini, marriage, Satyabhama and all other things. And he saw also how Krishna took the weight of Prithvi, burden of earth. Later now we'll describe. And then he went to with his buddy. What buddy? Narru, not Yuva, not young, Kishore, Payasandhi, Kishore Murti. And he went in the front of Brahma, Shankar and other demigods. Other demigods could not watch. No one. And in a moment he and that's written all these things. This Harikatha is very powerful. How powerful? I will tell. This Bhagavat Arthoyam Brahma Sutranam Bharatartha Birnirnaya Gayatri Bhashya Rupasam Vedartha Paripurita. What meaning? Arthoyam Brahma Sutranam. Essence of all Vedas are Brahma Sutra. About 550 sutras there. So, this is the meaning of Brahma Sutra. Bharatartha Vinirnaya, Mahabharata, Artha Vinirnaya, Vinirnaya, explanation of Mahabharata, Gayatri Bhashya Rupasau. This is the commentary of Gayatri and Vedartha Paribrinhita. Vedartha Paribrinhita, it is the bigger explanation of Vedas. How it is? Gayatri Bhashya, in Gayatri we see Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. So in first slok Srimad Bhagavatam, what? Satyam Parama Dhimahi. So Gayatri Bhashya. Also, Satyam Parama Dhimahi is Kasmai Kain Vibhavita. In the last, in 12th canto, in the last, there is also Satyam Paramadhimahi. So this is the Gayatri Bhashya. Now, Brahma Sutra Nam it is Artha, meaning how Janamadvasya. From where Jato imani bhutani jayante jivanti abhisambhisanti tadvijjigyas tad brahma. From where all creation has come, all living entity, this world has come. No? Who is he? Himself Krishna. Himself Krishna. Supreme Personality of God. Or Radha and Krishna. Conjugal. Or only Srimati Radhika. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has explained all these things. 5 different meanings of this first sloka. Here, first, Janmadasya, mane Vishwasya, from whole world. Billions of Brahmand universes. All creation has been done by Supreme Lord. By His Shakti. Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Maya Shakti. From Chit Shakti, whole Vaikuntha, even Golok, Vrindavan, everything has been come from Chit Shakti. Jeev Shakti, we all. And after this, all the jivas who are now Nitya Siddha, coming from Baldev Prabhu, always serving in Vrindavan to Krishna. Some are in Dwarka, some in Vaikuntha. And we were in Karnath Desai. By his glance we have come. Tatastha Shakti. So all world has been created by him. Or Krishna is not created. He is Shakti. Who is Shakti? Ladni Shakti. Who is Ladni Shakti? Radhika. So from Radhika, all creation has been done. Krishna can only desire. Radhika will fulfill all his desire. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is non-difference from Radha Krishna, Jugal, more powerful. So he has created everything. Then, second meaning, Janmadasya, Janma Adirasasya. Adiras means Shringar Ras. Shringar Ras means Madhur Ras. Madhur Ras means the mood of gopis, especially the mood of Radhika up to Madanakha Mahabhav. Who has, from where it come? Oh, Krishna is Bhokta. Krishna is enjoyer. But really it comes, all the rasas from where? Radhika. So he is ocean of ras. So Adyaras, Shringaras, that is Madhuras, has come from Srimati Radhika. Also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhokta himself and giver also. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everywhere he gave. Especially in Gambhira or Puri. In the dialogue of Raya Ramananda and Mahaprabhu. And also in the dialogue of Srivas Pandit and Sarup Damodar. So it was given. Then Tene Brahmarida Jadakame Bohayanti Tene Brahmarida. Tene Brahma mane Brahma Hriday, Krishna, for creation, the power of creation. Second meaning, Tene Brahma, Shabda Brahma, Bhagavat Chatusloki in Brahma Adi Kabe. Or Srimati Radhika inspired all this Srimad Bhagavad sweet pastimes in the heart of Adi Kavi Srila Shukadeva Goswami when he was parrot of Radhika. And really, in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pastime, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inspired all these things in the Adi Kavi Rupa Goswami. How beautiful meanings! How beautiful meanings! So, Dharma Projit Kaitava, this is first sloka. In short, brief, I told. Brahma, Dharma Projit Kaitavo Atra Parmonin Vasaranam Satam. Oh, in Srimad Bhagavatam, the religion, the mood of Paramahansa Mahabhagavat is there. Like Sukadeva Goswami, like Narada Goswami, like Vyasdev. So, Paramahansa, they are Paramahansa Mahabhagavat. What is that? The bhakti, the prem, the madhura shingaras in gopis, especially in Srimati Radhika, Snehaman, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, more than that, Athirud, and then Madanakha, everything is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. So high class of postgraduate literature, especially Jugal Kheli Bilas. They are playing in the groves of Govardhan and here and there. Vyasdev also saw in his trance Samadhi. So it is Srimad Bhagavati Samadhi Grantha. Saddo avaruddhate atra. If anyone will hear from superior Vaishnava, Srimad Bhagavatam, done by Mahamune, not Mune, Mahamune, Badarayani, and told by Sukadeva Goswami, Paramahansa. So, if anyone will hear, oh, Krishna will come at once in heart, and forever he will be captured there. So Tatkhanat means as soon as you are hearing with very strong faith, I must hear Srimad Bhagavatam. At once Krishna will come. And if anything is here unwanted, anats, oh, Krishna will roam himself and make a clear seat for him. Those who are not hearing Hari Katha, what they are? Self-giving. Nigam kalpatarur galitang phalam. Oh, this nectar of Srimad Bhagavatam, Madanakha Bhav and all other things, Krishna Prem, is in Golok Vrindavan. But the parrot of Srimati Radhika Sriyasu took in his chanchu. Pig. And through Guru Parampara, Brahma, then Narad, Vyas, Shuk, and then Madhvacharya, and our Guru Parampara, Ishwar Puripad, Madhavendra Puripad, Ishwar Puripad, Mahaprabhu Chaitanya, and Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, Rup Sanatan, Kabiraj Goswami, and after Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur Baldev Vidya Bhushan, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Madhusudan Babaji, and then Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, then Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, my Gurudev Swamiji Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and thus we are coming. It was in the form of only rush and rush, no seed, no bark, nothing, only rush and rush. But because it came from there in Guru Parampara medium, so it was unbroken. And in this world, oh, very bhurida, jana, They are distributing without price. Without price. Only here. So, you should hear it till you become senseless. Murshid. Otherwise go on drinking until you become faint. If you faint, again if you will wake up, again you should. So, Rashik Bhagavat, Mahabhagavat will always drink this. Achha, one kirtan. No. Proportion kirtan for this. Otherwise Krishna Das will. Eri matun kuch kar. जावटे विवाह हो गई.
ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Srila Gurudev has ordered me to speak a few words about this very beautiful kirtan by Sri Narahari Das, who is an associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He's actually speaking to his own mind and own heart, and lamenting also. If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had not come to this world, how would we, living entities here, conditioned souls, how would we have been able to tolerate living in this world, just in the bodily conception, without knowing our own soul, just in this bag of stool and pus and blood, without knowing our beautiful souls as maidservants of Srimati Radhika? If he had not come, how would we have known about the glory of Srimati Radhika and the glory of her love? It's in the Chaitanya Charitamrita that we see that Krishna himself is yearning to understand the glory of her love, and so in order to do that, he comes as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu himself gives so many teachings, but about this love in particular, he's so absorbed in the madness of ecstasy. As Srila Gurudev was saying, he's hearing and Murshid, he's fainting. So therefore, he spoke through his associates like Sri Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and his disciplic succession, Sri Narottam Das Goswami. Through their books, through their prayers, through their songs, we're learning about that highest love of Srimati Radhika. Then Sri Narahari Das prays that if he had not come, if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had not come to this world, how would we have been able to enter into the cleverness of the moods of the Braj Ramanis, of the Gopis, and particularly the Manjaris? The Manjaris are serving the moods of Srimati Radhika. Whatever is coming on her mind, whatever is coming on her body, they feel due to their love for her. And in that oneness, they know how to serve her. So this is coming from Srila Rupa Goswami, who heard all this and got it all from the heart, in the heart, from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he sent it down his disciplic succession. And now Srila Gurudev is our immediate link with that. So he's praying to his mind, with a very simple heart, call out to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and beg his mercy. There's no one in this world that was ever as merciful as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Krishna himself is Rasik Shekhar. He's the enjoyer of all mellows. But when he came here with the mood of Srimati Radhika, in order to taste that highest love, Prema Ras Niryas, then he became Parama Karun, the topmost magnanimous personality. And what was the most magnanimous thing he gave? Unat Ojvalarasam Swabhakti Sriyam. As Srila Gurudev was just speaking about Srita Kamala Kuchamandalahe. That is, Srila Jayadev Goswami is praying at the end, Mangalam Ujvalam Gitam. He's praying on our behalf because he's also coming in the line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Before him, but in his line. He's also praying that may this Ujvalam Gitam, this song about the glories of Srimati Radhika's love, enter the hearts of all the hearers. He's speaking on our behalf, praying for us. So Sri Narahari Das concludes that although I am calling out the name of Mahaprabhu, although I am chanting his name, although I am chanting Hare Krishna and all the songs, still my heart does not melt. And he's lamenting. He said, how is it that somehow or other destiny has not given me an actual heart? He's given me a stone in the place of a heart. So what is the use of this life? What is the use of this body? What is the use of this soul if I can't experience myself? So our disciplic succession is teaching this lamentation, and our main word of our entire vocabulary is when, oh when will that day be mine? Srila Gurudev said if we simply chant Hare Krishna, we'll be full of material desires because that's our heart. But if we learn these bhajans and sing them and pray to our acharyas that please make your moods my moods, please make your words my moods, and then getting their mercy and the mercy of our Srila Gurudev and Prabhupada and our disciplic succession, then we can weep bitterly and then our life becomes successful.
Thank you. When Krishna entered in his Prakrit Kulok Vrindavan, then Kali Yuga, Iron Age came, and all these sannyas, sadhu, rishi like Saunak and others, they assembled in Namisharanya and began to think how to escape from this Kali Yuga. What should we do? And then decided Hari Katha, Krishna Katha it will save us. So Saunak Rishi, one of them, very high class of devotees, he told to Suta Goswami, the disciple of Srila Sukadeva Goswami, what Sutta? Ugrasabha Sutta. O Prayena Alpa Ayusha Sabya Kala Vasmin Juge Jana Manda Sumanda Sumanda Mateo Manda Bhagyahi Upadrita. In Kaljug, very short age will come. And in this short, half gone in sleeping. 20 years in being expert, 20 years in old days, only 10 years. In 10 years to marry, to make daughters and sons qualified and so on. So when you will do bhajan? So, you are sadhu. We are telling to Suta Goswami. Ata sadho atra jaksaram. What you have heard from Sukadeva Goswami. You know all the Vedas, purport of Vedas, Srimad Bhagavatam, everything. So, by mind you should remember. And we are Shraddhalu, then tell Jainatma Samprasidati. How soul will be happy. We are not body. If we will try to make our body oh, very happy, it will not be happy. So, he asks about soul, how it will be happy. Only sabai punsan paro dharmo jato bhakti radhokhaje. Surely, only one path, one pointed path. That if you will do bhakti, prema bhakti, bhakti like gopis, then this is paramadharma. And which should be without any worldly cause, no selfishness, devoid of karma, jnana, yoga and everything. That is annabhilasita sunnam jnana karma janapritam anukullena krishnanusjanam. This. And then he did pranam to Guru. Jang prabrajantam anupetam apeta krityam dvaipayano viraha katar ajna putreti tanmayataya tarvo bhinedu tam vyasu. He is doing pranam to Gurudev. If you are going to do archan, you will have to do first Guru Puja. If you are going to begin anything, or you are going anywhere, or do first pranam to Guru. Otherwise you will not be successful. So he is doing pranam to his Gurudev. To whom Sukadeva Goswami he is doing pranam. Who knows everything. He is like Krishna, Sadvyapi. And what is Srimad Bhagavatam? This is a bridge-like or boat. Bridge is connecting two things. Upon ocean, Ramchandra made a bridge from India to Lanka. So, ocean is this bhava, sansar, coming in this world, endless pain, endless birth and death. Bridge is Srimad Bhagavatam. Or boat. If you go to bridge, you will see only by touching that we are out of this Maya. Or if you go to boat and touch the boat will be here, but you will see that we have crossed. So Srimad Bhagavad is so wonderful. So Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Janat Asu Vairagyam Jnanam Chaljata Dukam. If anyone will follow Bhakti Yoga to Krishna Vasudeva, then surely by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, practice Bhakti Yoga, all kinds of knowledge, Krishna Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Prem Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, everything will come. And also detachment from worldly this Vairagya. Surely it will come. If you are hearing Bhagavad, Chaitanya, chanting name, but no Vairagya is coming. No detachment from worldly things. No Tattva Jnana. Then what is it? There is some loopholes. So try to repair. Otherwise, Dharma Sunishchita Punsa Vishwaksain Katha Suja Notpadya Jadivating. If you are chanting, if you are remembering, if you are doing so many things, but no taste in Hari Katha, then what? After some time, you will give up. So there must be first taste in hearing Hari Katha. I am happy that for hearing Hari Katha you have assembled here. But take all these Hari Kathas in your heart forever. Then Srinvatang Swakatha. You. And after that.
Om Jnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. So Srila Gurudev has been narrating the introduction to the Srimad Bhagavatam, telling us about Srila Vyasadev's dissatisfaction and Sri Narada Muni, his spiritual master, coming to teach him what was his mistake in not glorifying directly the Supreme Lord. And now he is narrating the beginning of the narration of the Srimad Bhagavatam by Sutta Goswami.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. By Sutta Goswami. And how the sages of Naimisharanya, headed by Shonaka Rishi, began to inquire from Sutta Goswami. And they wanted to know, Yenatma suprasidati, how the Atma, how the soul may become completely satisfied, completely fulfilled. And then in his answer to their various questions of the sages, Srila Sutta Goswami, he began to explain about the importance of hearing the powerful message of the Srimad Bhagavatam. And how if a person performs all of his duties in life perfectly, but the performance of those duties does not result in attraction to hearing the message of Srimad Bhagavatam, the message of Krishna Katha, then all of his activities in life are actually a shrama, that means useless labor or a waste of time. So now, Sutta Goswami began to explain that if a person hears this powerful message of Srimad Bhagavatam, then what will be the effect in that person by this powerful hearing? Srila Gurudev told us in his first words this evening, the message of Srimad Bhagavatam is very, very powerful. So here, in these shlokas, now Srila Sutta Goswami is describing how the power of Srimad Bhagavatam will act in the heart of the listener. First of all, he says, Shrinvatam svakata Krishna, punya sravana kirtana, hridyantaksto hyabadrani, vidunoti suhrit satam. Here is describing that this Krishna Katha is punya shravana kirtana. It is the most powerful and glorious activity of hearing and chanting that can be performed in this world. And hridyantaksto hi abhadrani. Within the heart of the listener there may be so many abhadras. That means inauspicious things which are preventing him from attaining his eternal relationship with Krishna and preventing him from developing Krishna Prem. These anarthas, these unwanted things are hampering the progress of the soul. But the power of the Srimad Bhagavatam, this Krishna Katha enters within the ears. And then, Sri Krishna himself, as Srila Gurudev told, he begins brooming. Brooming means that now he begins to clean the heart himself. Vidunoti suhritsatam. In the heart of the devotee, he becomes the well-wishing friend of the devotee, seeing that he is trying to hear about me. So now Krishna himself acts within the heart and he begins to cleanse the heart. Then nashta prayeshu abhadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama shloke bhaktir bhavati naishtiki. Then next, by constantly performing Bhagavat Seva, hearing this message of Srimad Bhagavatam nityam, regularly, constantly, from the lips of the Bhakta Bhagavat. Two types of Bhagavats. Srimad Bhagavatam, the book, the Grantha, and the pure devotee, who is the very embodiment of the message of the Srimad Bhagavatam, the Bhakta Bhagavat. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, by constantly serving the pure devotee and constantly hearing the message of Srimad Bhagavatam from him. Then, when these anarthas within the heart, these abhadras, nashta prayeshu abhadreshu, when they're very much removed, not completely, but a very good amount of these abhadras have now been eliminated. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki. Then that person will now attain to the stage of Naishtiki Bhakti. That means firm faith in the process of performing Bhakti Jog. Now he will continue constantly, never deviating from the path of Bhakti. And he will go forward very, very quickly in this stage of Nishta. So now, Tada Rajastamo Bhava Kama Lobha Dayaschaye Cheta Etair Anavidham Stitam Satve Prasidhi. So now, Rajas and Tamas, the modes of passion and the modes of ignorance, which cause the effect in the heart of Kama Lobha, that means lust, greed, envy, illusion, anger. These kinds of effects in the heart are coming from the force of the modes of nature, Rajagun and Tamagun, passion and ignorance. So, when these become completely removed and Cheta Etair Anavidham, now the consciousness, the pure soul becomes unaffected by these lower modes. And Stitam Sattve Prasidati, now he becomes situated in Sattvagun, where he becomes prasidati, satisfied, no longer hankering for the material objects of this world, no longer lamenting for anything lost in this mundane plane. So now he becomes evam prasanna manaso bhagavad bhakti yogataha bhagavad tattva vijnanam mukta sangasya jayate. Evam prasanna manaso. Now his mind, now his internal consciousness becomes completely satisfied, prasanna. He becomes very uplifted in the deepest part of his soul, his consciousness. And he becomes firmly situated in Bhagavad Bhakti Yogataha. And all tattva, all transcendental knowledge, Bhagavad Tattva Vijnanam. Now he gains realization of all the transcendental truths of the Supreme Lord. Bhagavad Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Krishna Tattva. All of these different transcendental spiritual truths and realities become manifested within his heart. And Mukta Sangasya Jayate. Now he becomes actually free. He becomes liberated from the effect of the material nature, even though he's living within this world. But now he becomes transcendental to the effect of material modes of nature. And then finally, Vidyate Hridaya Grantish Chidyante Sarva Samshaya Kshiyante Chasya Karmani Drishta Evatmanishvare. So now, Vidyate Hridaya Grantish. Now the knot that is in our heart, like a tightly woven knot, caused by all past karmas and all material desires within this world, Vidyate Hridaya Grantis, it becomes pierced. And Chidyante Sarva Samshaya, all of the doubts that prevent us from completely surrendering to the Supreme Lord, they be completely destroyed. Kshiyante Chasya Karmani, and the constant chain, the repetition of karmas in this world which cause us to take repeated births and deaths and continue suffering, this chain becomes terminated. Drishta evat manishvare. Now the soul sees that actually the Supreme Lord, the Supreme Atma, He is my Ishvara. He is my controller. Everything is controlled by Him. I belong to Him. He belongs to me. This realization comes in the heart of the soul who hears this message of Srimad Bhagavatam. So powerful is this message. And if someone receives this message in their ear holes with faith from the pure devotee, from the lips of the pure devotee of Krishna, then it is definitely certain that if they follow those instructions, these effects will come one after the other, and the soul will attain his eternal relationship with Krishna.
So, this Samadhi Grantha manifested by Srila Vyasdev